Hello. In today's video, we'd like to show you our new product, the 2-in-1 remote for live Fido. This is what the original live Fido remote looks like. There are two types of remotes, 2-channel and 4-channel. The live Fido remotes are designed to operate the Italian automation equipment of the same brand. The 2-in-1 remote for live Fido can emulate the original remotes of this system. In the emulation mode, these remotes are paired with the live automation equipment nominally, just like the original remotes. That is, per the instruction manual for the original remotes. The 2-in-1 remotes for live Fido can also copy the code directly from the original remote. This feature is useful in situations when there's no physical access to the automation control board, which is required for nominal pairing, or when the control board has no available memory.
Here I have an original live GE Uni-R control panel. First, let's make sure none of the remotes is paired with this panel. Now I'm going to pair both the original remote and the 2-in-1 remote for live Fido with the automation control panel nominally. Now let's check. The relay clicks mean that the remotes have been paired. As you can see, the 2-in-1 remote for live Fido by PrimePult has been successfully paired following the nominal pairing procedure, just like any original remote, and works just fine. But what if there is no physical access to the control board, or there is no available memory to add new remotes? In this case, you cannot pair the new remotes nominally through the button on the control board. No problem. All you will need is previously paired original live Fido remote and any number of 2-in-1 remotes for live Fido. In the copying mode, you can make any number of copies of the original remote, and it can be done outside of range of the receiver. To make a copy, simultaneously press A, B, and D on the 2-in-1 remote for live Fido and immediately release B and D. Continue to hold down button A. While holding down button A, place the copy remote face-to-face with the previously paired original live Fido remote. Press and hold any button on the original remote until you see a long flash indicating successful copying. Release all the buttons. All the buttons of the original remote have been copied. To activate the automation equipment using the copy remote, you will need to hold down the activation button for about 2 seconds. Let's check. As you can see, the copy works fine without cross-interfering with the original remote. Typically, such copy of the original remote will work with most live automation equipment without any issues. However, in some cases, a copy may not work correctly or may not work at all right away. Specifically for such situations, the 2-in-1 remote for live Fido has another operating mode, compatibility mode. How do you switch to the compatibility mode? To do that, after you've made a copy of the original remote, simultaneously press and hold B and D on the copy remote. The remote will start emitting flashes to indicate the current mode. Continue to hold down the buttons until the remote emits 3 flashes. The remote is now in mode 3. Release the buttons. In the third, compatibility mode, the copy is guaranteed to work with any live automation equipment. However, such copy and the original remote will work as chasers, chasing each other. What does it mean? For example, you activate your garage gate 4 times using the copy remote. Now the original remote is 4 activations behind the copy, which means it will only work after you've used it 5 times. Now, if you continue using the original remote, the copy will start falling behind. Say, you use the original remote 2 more times. Now the copy remote is 3 activations behind and will only work after you've pressed the button 4 times. This is all because the activation counters on both remotes must be synchronized in order for the remotes to work. So, as you can see, both the original remote and its copy will be chasing each other. It's the only downside, but you get a copy which is guaranteed to work with any live automation equipment. That's it. To buy this remote, please contact our sales department or visit our website. All the details are on the screen. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and recommend us to your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching.